Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this double-sided small tools organizer. I already had this for over a year now, and this thing is still holding up to all the wear and tear that I have thrown at it. I like how convenient this is and how neatly this stores all your different parts that you have. So it's dual-sided. That. And it holds a lot of different items in here. And it's very easy to use. It's made of a durable plastic. All you do is just unclip the clips, and then you have access to all your different small parts that you need. And you're even able to customize the length and the size of the compartment that you need it for. So I use it in the small compartments, and I organize all of my different parts that I have here. And the same goes that you're able to organize it. So pretty much all you do is just take off the sleeves to add or to lengthen or to shorten the compartment that you need to do. This is a great organizing. If you're interested in buying this, I'm gonna post the link in the description, and you could buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great double-sided organizer. I like how you're able to customize how big or how short that you want the compartments to be. I like it has the heavy duty clasp to hold all your small parts in here securely and safely. And the handle feels very comfortable in the hand, and it's a very durable plastic.